welcome back to my channel. Before we get to the art haul, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on my notifications so you can keep up with future videos. Okay, so I've been wanting to try water mixable oils for a while now, and I finally got a chance to make time to buy a few things just over this past week. I picked up a whole set of water mixable oils. I got a total of about 22 colors. These are Winsor & Newton, and the line is named Artisan. There are also mediums and oils that are specific to the water mixable line. If you want to keep these oils water mixable, it's important to use the Artisan mediums. You can definitely use traditional oils with them, traditional mediums and solvents with these, but when you do, they're no longer water mixable. So that's something to think about. I don't know what your budget is, but the total cost for 22 tubes that were 1.5 ounces, the fast drying medium and the linseed oil was about $170 US. So you definitely don't need to buy all of the colors that I got. You could probably get away with doing with about 5 colors, which is titanium white, ivory black, yellow ochre, ultramarine blue, and maybe like a magenta or something like that, and cad red. And you can probably mix most of the colors that you need from those. So don't feel like you need to go out and buy as many tubes as I did if you want to try these out. The next thing that I found was a plastic artist palette with storage cups. So there's 12 storage cups that are removable, so that'll make it easy to clean up, and they'll come in handy when I want to stop a painting session without wasting paint or having them dry out quickly. Next is just an assortment of small canvases and canvas panels. I've fallen in love with painting on smaller canvases, so I thought I'd pick up some more. I bought a 7x9 and 8x8 set of canvas panels, and then a 12x4 and 9x3 canvas, as well as a couple of 5x7 wood panels that I love to paint on. So if you haven't tried those, you should definitely do that. Nice to get out, relax, and shop for supplies. I've been in a little bit of a rut lately, but this really lifted my spirits. So I wanted to play around with my new oils. I put my paint on my palette and thought I'd just pour a tiny bit of the medium And me being the clumsy person that I am, accidentally poured way too much and it got into all of the paint. Accidents happen, and I just continued to play while trying to create a butterfly on a flower. As you can see, it didn't go so well, but I had a lot of fun and it was okay. So I hope that this video was helpful in some way. If you're thinking about trying these oils or getting into painting, I hope that it inspired you in some way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.